Hello everyone, welcome to Happiness Mastery, where you find life changing information with motivation. In this video, we are going to understand Kriya Yoga, the science of union with God, in physical, mental, and mainly spiritual aspect, with most important questions like what is Kriya Yoga, why Kriya Yoga. So, watch this video till the end. Let's start with basic question. Why Kriya Yoga? Kriya Yoga is an instrument by which human evolution or consciousness can be quickened. The ancient yogis discovered that the secret of cosmic consciousness is linked with breath mastery. The scriptures says that a man requires million years of normal diseaseless evolution to perfect his human brain and attain cosmic consciousness. 1000 kriyas practiced in 8.5 hours every day for 3 years give the man the cosmic consciousness or God consciousness. Thus, the millions of years of evolution can be attained in just 3 years of human life by Kriya Yoga. That's why is Kriya Yoga. Now, let us move to what is Kriya Yoga. Let us divide Kriya Yoga in physical, mental and spiritual aspect. Now, physical aspect of Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is the union with the infinite through certain act or rite. Kriya Yoga is a simple psychophysiological method by which human blood is decarbonated and recharged with oxygen. The atoms of this extra oxygen are transmuted into life currents to rejuvenate the brain and spiral centers. By stopping the accumulation of carbonated blood, the yogi is able to lessen or prevent the decay of tissues. The advanced yogi transmutes his cells into energy. By continuous practice of Kriya Yoga, a Kriyaban can connect with the universal consciousness or super consciousness. He can know the thoughts, emotions, and materialize objects. He can have two bodies at a time at different places. He can leave his body at his will. He can create reality. Now, let us move to mental aspect of Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga enables the devotee to switch off or on at will his life current to the five sense teleports of sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. Attaining this power of sense disconnection, the yogi finds it simple to unite his mind at will with divine realms. The Kriya Yogi, withholding his thoughts, will and feeling from false identification of bodily desires, uniting his mind with superconscious forces in the spiral signs, thus lives in the world of God. Before moving forward, subscribe this channel to motivate me for making such videos, as it takes hard work for making such videos. Now, let's talk about what Bhagavad Gita tells about Kriya Yoga. Lord Krishna refers Kriya Yoga twice in Bhagavad Gita, offering the inhaling breath into the exhaling breath and offering the exhaling breath into inhaling breath. The yogi neutralizes both breaths. Thus, he releases prana from heart and bring life force under his control. In another stance, Lord Krishna says that meditation expert become eternally free, who seeking the supreme goal, who is able to withdraw from external phenomena by fixing his gazes within the midspot of the eyebrows and by neutralizing the life currents of prana and apana within the nostrils and lungs and control his sensory mind and intellect. If you want to understand the meaning of this method, you must be a disciple of Guru who really have spiritual journey of Kriya Yoga. The method of Kriya Yoga explained in Bhagavad Gita needs a deeper understanding to unfold the hidden knowledge. It took me years to understand the true meaning of these teachings of Lord Krishna and to practice Kriya Yoga. Before moving forward, if you like this video, then comment below, do you find this Kriya Yoga useful? Yes or no? If you comment below, YouTube will recommend this video to others and will spread life-changing information with motivation. Now, let's move to spiritual aspect of Kriya Yoga. The Kriya Yogi mentally directs his life force energy to revolve upwards and downwards around the 6 spiral centers, namely medulla, cervical, dorsal, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal plexus, which corresponds to the 12 astral signs of zodiac, the symbolic cosmic man. 1/2 minutes of revolution of energy around the sensitive spiral cord of man effects subtle progress in his evolution. Half minutes of Kriya Yoga equals 1 year of natural spiritual unfoldment. The astral system of human being with 6 inner constellation, 12 by polarity, revolves around sun of the omniscient spiritual eye, is interrelated with the physical sun and the 12 zodiac signs. All men's thus affected by inner and outer universe. Now, as Kriya Yoga is pranayama or breathing technique, let's understand the relationship between the breath and spiritual development. The Kriya Yoga technique converts the breath into mind stuff. Many illustrations can be given of mathematical relationship between man's respiratory system and the variation in his state of consciousness. During harmful emotion, the breath quickens and becomes uneven, and during closed, clean intellectual argument or during difficult physical feat, the breath slows automatically. Therefore, the restless monkey breathes for 32 times a minute and a man 12 times a minute, while the giant tortoise attaining the age of 300 years breathes for only 4 times in a minute. The sleep have an interesting correlation with spiritual energy. The rejuvenating effects of sleeps are due to man's temporary unawareness of body and breath. The sleeping man becomes a yogi. Each night he unconsciously performs yogic or releases himself from bodily identification and merges life forces with healing currents in the main brain region and in the 6 energy centers of spiral column. Thus, unknowingly, the sleeper charges by the cosmic energy. Now, let's know the relationship between physical world and Kriya Yoga. In a man, the flow of energy is towards the outer world. The currents are waste in the senses. The practice of Kriya Yoga reverses the flow. During Kriya Yoga practice, life force is mentally guided to the inner cosmos and reunited with subtle spiritual energies. By such reinforcement of the life force, the yogi's body and brain cells are revived by spiritual energy. And thus, by the spiritual energy, the consciousness of yogi unites with God consciousness. If you want to change your life and fill your life with inner happiness, watch life-changing videos in the playlist at the end of this video. Subscribe this channel to motivate me to make such life-changing videos. Thank you.